sports. It's in the game.
Hi there, I'm Martin Tyler. With me today, Alan Smith. Welcome to today's game. It is a brilliant, brilliant fixture. It's always been that way. Other factors as well as football involved in the rivalry here. Barcelona and Real Madrid.
Well, what an atmosphere inside the stadium, and what a match we should have. Star-studded lineups here in front of us.
If Real Madrid come calling to any top player in any other club in any other country in the world, the answer is usually yes, please, isn't it?
Difficult, almost impossible to turn them down, to pull on that white kit. What an honour.
Real Madrid have got the game started here. Sergio Busquets. Lionel Messi. And the attacking now coming from Barcelona. Luis Suarez. Well, he's cleared the danger. Barcelona get the throw. Sergio Roberto. That's given away possession, and it's gone behind for a goal kick. Toni Kroos. Karim Benzema. They've got the ball back, Barcelona. Coutinho. Keeps it going. We've got room to hit this. Hit the post. Toni Kroos. Modric. Bale! Goalkeeper can only parry it out. Ivan Rakitic. Barcelona, who certainly will be trying their utmost to get the win in this game. They won't be taking anything for granted as far as that's concerned. Marcelo. This defender looks as though he enjoys it.
The break is definitely on.
Modric! Oh, it's the post! Ivan Rakitic. That's the brilliance of the back heel. It looks great when it works. It worked then. Well, this attack got a bit of menace to it. Trying to find Suarez. Sergio Ramos clears it here. That's offside. Isco. Luis Suarez.
Well, if you look at the coaching manual, you don't defend like that. He's got caught two.
Rakitic! Shot on! Well, he's had a go.
Well, if you don't buy a ticket, as they say, and fair play to him for having a crack.
Here comes the replay.
What reflex is there from the keeper?
Modric. Benzema. It's a throw in for Barcelona. Lionel Messi. Sergio Busquets. Arturo Vidal into the attacking third. Busquets! That will end the threat, at least for the moment. Ivan Rakitic. Able to make a good interception. Karim Benzema. It's a real tussle between the two of them to try and get the ball. Found his teammate well. Well, we're halfway through, and we haven't yet got a goal to bring to you. 0-0 at half-time. Really excellent first half, very tight, and very much the two sides well matched.
Yeah, enjoyed that first 45 minutes. I hope we get a bit more of the same in the second half.
Real Madrid have a substitute getting ready. So it is time now for the start of the second half. Coutinho. Luis Suarez. Trying to stretch the opposition using the wider areas here. Carvajal. Rafael Varane. Gareth Bale. Jordi Alba. Sergi Roberto. Sergio Busquets. Confident and quality on the ball. And the defender tidies that up. Lionel Messi. That's a turnover in play. Toni Kroos. Karim Benzema. Substitute ready to come on for Barcelona. Benzema. They spread it out wide here. Chance to get some width into this attack. Some options now for the pass. Well, this is certainly going to be within their range now that the free kick has been given. Barcelona are going to switch some personnel. Benzema! Corner for Real Madrid. Well, they've lost the ball. Barcelona awarded the throw here. Lionel Messi. Sergio Ramos. He's got his shot off now. Barcelona defending this corner. He's got it away. I think we'll see with these possession stats, Alan, that yes, the game has been as even as it seemed without the figures to back that up.
Yeah, I mean, I think we thought coming into this match, Martin, that it would be evenly matched. And it's been the case here.
We have a substitution coming up, and it's coming up for Real Madrid. Toni Kroos. Karim Benzema. Very good passing from this team. And now he's looking for some support. Some players limbering up for the away team. Substitution in the offing. Saw that pass coming in midfield. Made the intervention. And now maybe he can push the team forward with his work on the ball. Two players ready to come on, and they'll bring them on together now. Spaced across the ball now. It could be a chance. It's hit the post and gone in. Well, we see it again, how close it was to maybe hitting the post and staying out. But luck was with him. In it goes, it counts.
Now, I think the goalkeeper thought he got his angles covered there, but he didn't look too pleased when he bounded in.
And that's a goal well worth analysing again. So the first goal, it's 1-0. And it is a Barcelona substitution we're about to see. It's Messi. Suarez! Oh, wonderful goal, wonderful time to get it. Right at the last in this game. Well, Barcelona, they just won't give it up. They've got the equaliser out of very little, really, and we're level again.
No, it does point to great character within this side. Oh, it's a great finish to take the keeper at the equation. I mean, the keeper had no chance there. Bottom corner.
So away we go at 1-1. Modric. Strong tackle to break up the play. And they've got their new man ready, Barcelona, to make the change. One extra minute before the whistle goes. He's cut out that pass. It wasn't an accident. He read the mind of the opponent. Luis Suarez. Well, the two sides unable to separate themselves after 90 minutes. First kick coming up, maybe the hardest, some will say less pressure, certainly very important right now. Excellent penalty. Not worrying at all about the pressures of the shootout. Penalty now, Luka Modric. That's a brilliant goal. Good save. It doesn't look quite right as he steps up to take the penalty. That's a good penalty, isn't it? Lionel Messi to take the penalty. And the penalty is off target.
No, nobody likes to see a player miss under those circumstances.
He's hit the post. Is he going to be up to the task here? I'm not sure. And it's a miss.
Oh, he'll be kicking himself for trying that now.
So the spotlight turns to this player. Score and they win. It's as simple as that. If only it was. And he's put it away to get the winning penalty.
Well, it can look easy, can't it? And he's made it look easy there.